This product right here made me $52,000 last month, and I'm gonna show you exactly how. So what I did is I sent the product to different UGC creators. Those are user-generated content creators, where you send them the product and they create multiple videos for you so you can start advertising the product or running organic content. I started running Facebook ads and also organic content on TikTok. This allowed me to drive a bunch of traffic to my website so people can start purchasing the product. I was able to get the product for around $7 with shipping and then turn around and sell it for $42. I was selling the product for $42 and it cost me around $7 for the product and then another $15 to $20 to acquire the customer through ads. So that left me between $15 to $20 profit per sale. I was selling around 36 units per day and that left me with $16,000 in net profit in 1 month. So if you want to start learning the craft of e-commerce and you want to learn the right systems and strategies to turn the internet into a money printing machine, comment ecom below and let's chat.